Okay, thanks, Raj. And as Raj mentioned, AHOA encourages younger hoteliers, the new generation, to get active. And in AHOA, we also have young hoteliers division and committee. And I think in this crowd, Raj is probably the youngest candidate here. How old are you, Raj?
I'm 33.
Okay, Raj is 33, and then I think probably Sandip is next, and then the rest of them are just way up in the 40s.
Makes me look old, doesn't it?
Yeah. Next, we're going to introduce Sly Patel. Sly is from the state of Maryland, and Sly has been on the board on the an opportunity to introduce himself.
Hi, my name is Sly Patel, and I'm running at the director large position for the AHOA. I've been served before AHOA from 2004 to 2007, and one of the I am the one who was the bring this convention to the Washington D.C. And my background, I'm involved with AHOA from '94, and I own a couple of hotels in this area in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Also, I'm appointed by the governor of Maryland as a commissioner for the Asian Pacific Islander as a commissioner for 4-year position. And I also represent so many other associations like Children Cancer Foundation, and I've been in AHOA for a long time, and I'm running for the director large position this time, and I hope I'm going to get support from all over the United States.
Thank you, Sly. And as Sly mentioned, Sly was on the AHOA board for 3 to 4 years recently. And previously, when we had the AHOA convention in the Mid-Atlantic region in Atlantic City, Sly had also ran for, was it at large or at large position? And as Sly indicated, one of the biggest battles within the AHOA organization and the board of directors is where to hold the annual conventions. And this upcoming convention that we're talking about, where all of these candidates are running election, is in Washington, D.C. So that's considered our region in the Mid-Atlantic. Now I'm going to introduce next Paresh Bhai. He's also known as Perry Patel. Perry is also running at large against the candidates that we met earlier, Sandip and Raj. Paresh Bhai.
Anil Bhai, Ashwin Bhai, thank you. Thank you, TV9 Gujarati. Just wanted to share with the AHOA members. I've been serving on the AHLA board for the last 10 years, serving as a treasurer for the Choice Hotels Owners Council, and have been lucky to serve on Senator Biden's vice president candidacy. So I've been serving on a number of other associations. I think AHOA is a business associations, and I think the experience we need is more into hotel industries, running the hotels, managing hotels. We own and operate 4 hotels in Maryland, New Jersey area, and just wanted to share with the group that it is really we want to bring AHOA to the next level in terms of the governance. In good economy, the franchise is not as big a deal, but those are the issues that we deal with it. And I think that having the connections with the government of affairs in terms of legislative process and some of the bills that could be coming through in this economy, we have to look at. So those are the views that I would like to share with you in detail in the next few minutes. Thank you.
Paresh Bhai has been very active, as he mentioned, in various franchise advisory committees and CHOC, which is part of the Choice Hotel International Group. He's been on for, you were there first, right?
Yeah, I was there. I left and he came in. But anyway, Anil Bhai, આ તો બધું બહુ ચાલ્યું. આપણે હવે ઉમેદવારોને પૂછે ને કેટલા પાણીમાં ઊંડા છે. ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર તો થાય કે નહીં.
Yeah. Okay. What do you have in mind? Go ahead.
મારે એક પ્રશ્ન પૂછવો હતો આ બધા ચારે ઉમેદવારોને કે એ લોકો આ જે પોઝિશન માટે રન થાય છે અને એ લોકો બધાએ કહું કે જુદા જુદા અનુભવ છે, એસોસિએશનમાં છે. મારે એ જાણવું છે કે તમે પોતાના એસોસિએશન સિવાય આ હોટેલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીના બીજા કયા એસોસિએશનમાં ઇન્વોલ્વ છો અને કેટલો એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે, એટલે મને ખબર પડે કે તમે લોકોને કેટલા પાણીમાં તરો છો કે ડૂબો છો. તો આપણે શરૂ કરીશું સંદીપ.
I'm in the hotel business for about 5 years. I own and operate many independent and franchise hotels. So I clearly understand the day-to-day operation of the hotel business, from the front desk to the housekeeping and all departments, not only limited service, but the full service, each and every area, that restaurants, bar, banquet, meeting spaces, rooms and everything. And also I have the mentality of, as a small businessman, what the person goes through in day-to-day activity in managing their business. Being in the hotel business and knowing the hotel operation completely, I know that when I see the people who is going through, certain problems in their operation, I can jump in and help them. And that can be not only the operation, but outside of the operation. If there is issues with getting the finances done, if there is issues in negotiating the franchise agreement, if they wanna know that, which franchise I should go with, conference centers, restaurants, bar, અને બધી જ વસ્તુઓ છે. તો આ બિઝનેસ કરતાં કરતાં હું બધી જ હોટલ બિઝનેસમાં જે કંઈ વસ્તુઓ ચાલતી હોય, જે ઓપરેશનમાં ડે ટુ ડે જરૂર પડે, એ બધાનો મને પૂરેપૂરો પરિચય છે. તો હું જ્યારે પણ કોઈને જોઉં કે કોઈકને કોઈ જાતની તકલીફ છે, ક્યાં તો પ્રોપર્ટીને રન કરવામાં અથવા તો એમને કોઈ એડવાઇસ જોઈતી હોય, તો એ મને પૂરેપૂરી ખબર છે. તો હું એમના પ્રોબ્લેમો સોલ્વ કરી શકું. કોઈ આવે કે ભાઈ ચલો મારી મોટલ છે, મારે એને ફ્રેન્ચાઇઝમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવી છે. હવે એમને ખબર ના હોય કે કઈ ફ્રેન્ચાઇઝો એમના માટે એપ્રોપ્રિએટ છે, બેઝ ઓન કેટલા ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ કરવા પડે. તો હું એમને કહું કે ઓકે આ વસ્તુ કરવા જેવી છે, આ નથી કરવા જેવી, અને આ જો તમે કરો તો એગ્રીમેન્ટમાં આટલું ધ્યાન રાખવા જેવું છે. તો I can bring in those kind of values because I understand the business very well. બીજો તમારો ક્વેશ્ચન હતો ઇન રેફરન્સ ટુ હોટલના કેટલા એસોસિએશનમાં હું જોડાયેલો છું. અધર દેન ધ હોટેલ્સ હું ઘણા બધા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝરમાં જોડાયેલો છું. હોટેલના કોઈ સ્પેસિફિક ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં આઈ એમ નોટ ઇન્વોલ્વ. And I think that's one of the reason I'm joining the AHOA. I've been a member in the AHOA, but other than that, I'm not actively involved in any other hotel association. I think this will be a very good thing for me to jump in and offer my values to the AHOA member and take the AHOA to the next level. Thank you.
સંદીપભાઈ, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. તમારો આભાર. તમે બહુ બરાબર જવાબ આપ્યો. કારણ કે શું છે કે AHOA એક એવું પ્લેટફોર્મ છે કે જ્યાં ભલે તમે એક્સપિરિયન્સ ના હોય તો ત્યાં તમને શીખવાનું બહુ મળશે. બહુ સારું બરાબર. મને ખબર છે કે સ્લાયભાઈને ને તમને તો યુ ગોટ લોટ ઓફ એક્સપિરિયન્સ ડે ટુ એસોસિએશનમાં અને આમાં તેમાં. તમારા બે જણ માટે મારે એવો ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે તમે ડે ટુ ડે ઓપરેશનમાં તમને કેટલું આવડે છે? કારણ શું છે કે you should know the pain of running a property before you can go and experience and then help other our members. So તમારી શરૂ.
What I wanted to share with our group is that in terms of day-to-day experiences, I was managing hospitals for 15 years. I got out of the hospitals and started my own hotel business. We build hotels in Delaware, and based on the starting from ground up, new constructions, starting the franchise, starting the constructions and rezoning and all those permissions, I have gone through those pains. And I think what I hear time and again when I've been serving on the Chalk Board or AHLA or Delaware Hotel and Lodging Association is some of our friends, some of our hoteliers are suffering some of the growing pains, so to speak, and I have on a day-to-day basis dealing with some of those pains. I have taken a number of our friends to Choice Hotels and then get them resolve those issues, that the problems. For example, I'll give you, fair franchising was a document that was not completed by Choice Hotels Owners Council. I was the chairman for fair franchising. I also serve as a chairman. I also serve as a fair franchising for AHOA. And currently I get in issues that are related to either Choice and or other brands where we have developed the policy is being followed through, and all of our Asians' hard work that we did for us, if we don't pass it on to the next generations, I'll give you one of the clause that we did in the